Hi folks, Lee Murphy, artbyleemurphy.com, and whew, isn't it funny how, or not funny, how all the unfun things take the longest thing to do, or at least they seem they do. Finally managed to pull the bumper and the back jacks off after a lot of dirt and oil and bashed knuckles, and finally got this off so I can get it welded. And at least now I don't feel so bad that here is the lug that holds the spare tire on, and I had it to where I just, even with both hands and both feet, couldn't get it off. Well, I took it into a tire place today, and he really had to wail on it with a, whatever they call that thing, a impact driver or something like that. Boy, it made a lot of noise, but he finally got it off, so yay, now I gotta figure out how to get it back on there safely. But now I can take that apart, have it welded, and I had a terrible time getting this thing loose until I realized that's not holding the bumper on. That is what the back bunk ends are supported on. The poles get plugged into that thing, so I'm glad to get rid of that, because that is, I had to file off two sides of it and use a crescent wrench, because there was no screwdriver that was gonna loosen that up. So yay, I can get rid of those, clean them up, plug the holes, get it welded, derust it, prime it, paint it, and one less thing to do. But unless you forget you're in Florida, this was a surprise. When I was pulling this particular rusty, busted old whatever it is, jack thing here, I look in, and to my surprise, I don't know if you can see in there. I'll try to get the camera looking to see if it will get in there. Aha. Those look like hatched snake eggs, or some sort of reptile that I'm really awful glad that I did not get to meet. So these look like they're hatched and long gone. But this was where the bumper went, right through here, and it bolted on, and then those bunk ends were right there. So I am super happy that whatever these critters are long gone, so I can clean it out, get rid of my creepy out, and clean this, derust it, and get it all done. And put some new props on here. I mean, these are rusty and they're dented, and of course it doesn't want to focus on anything here. They're rusty, they're dented, but they work. I'm just, well, in for a penny and for a pound. May as well fix it all while I'm in it, because I don't want to get back into it and get this all done. Well, hope that was entertaining and informative, and thank you for watching.